Welcome to the beauty side of life where we talk everything hair. My name is Jay. I am a self-taught hairstylist, hair business owner, and hair lover. Before we get into the video, I would like to shed some light on my businesses. Chakey's Art is a hair service that I provide to my community, and a lifestyle doll playground is my wig company. I'm currently working on an artistic wig collection with fire designs, and I can't wait to show y'all.
You can stay updated with both of my businesses by following social media above. Before we hop into the video, be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss an upload.
I wish y'all could see my feet right now. How tight do a boomer braid? Look at my feet, feeling in my toes. This is what our Sundays look like. What time do our shows drop?
6, 7, 8, or 7 to 9. You can say 7 to 8 or 7 to 9. Where's this guy? Hey, I don't know if he's lost. Text him. It's up to you.
He went to the paper place.
Okay, let's do that. Beth, you're not a scary gangbanger with and then every criminal in the city knows that we're a bunch of suckers. Well, can't have it all.
Shouldn't have to. And I should be able to enjoy dinner with my family without feeling like the whole world is out to get us. So you just want to pretend it's not happening.
What if she
What if it
about
was something you wouldn't like?
what she about to say? She gonna pop pills?
No, that's a normal wedgie.
Okay, I'm a bit scared to ask.
It's your job to ask Josh.
Dr. Cohen. Fine, what's an atomic wedgie?
Both sides, front and back, same time, equal pressure.
Oh my god.
Yeah, way worse for a girl.
I'll take your word for it.
You know how they cut those big blocks of cheese with that wire?
Oh, okay.
And I would like get up on a coffee table or the stairs for max yank leverage.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So Beth controlled the remote.
Literally every Saturday morning, all I wanted was 9 bowls of cereal and Muppet babies.
And what about now?
What do you mean?
How do you handle it now when she takes the remote?
I have my own TV.
It's a metaphor, honey. When she tries to be the boss of you, what do?
Same.
You give your adult sister an atomic wedgie.
It's a metaphor, Josh.
Okay, hear me out. What if your behavior is just reinforcing her behavior?
Wait, you mean like it's my fault that she's a total control freak?
Well, instead of acting like a child, maybe try to consider where she's coming from.
Why is she trying to get pregnant by him so bad?
Because he wants to kill her. Because she shot him like 5 times. So she lied. That's what she's pregnant.
Updating y'all on our progress. We finished the back of my head. You can swing the camera down.
You want to put the bun down? Show them the rest of it.
Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're making progress. I really wanted Nikki to drop that Bigfoot song, bro. I really did.
I feel like
Cause I wanted to see what she was gonna say.
backlash for it. She changed her mind.
I just want to know what else is there to say, because everybody said everything about Megan. Like, everybody said everything they had to say about the girl, and the girl is still thriving. So what do you have to say that's gonna shut her down? Or what, you know what I mean? Like, I really want to know what you felt you could say to her.
And I'm saying it better.
And I hope it wasn't the conjure her mother thing. Because we all know that was fucked up. That was low of the low. The Barbs know that was fucked up. That was crazy.
My sister logged in. So shit tight. I'm taking it like a pro though. I haven't cried yet. I haven't cried. Bitch, I told you I cry as I bring my own hair.
Some questions just don't have answers.
True Detective Night Control streaming exclusively on Max.
Yo, the middle of the head is killing me badly. What got me up all night? She got me. Oh, hey, got me up all night. Oh, that part was good. My hairstylist, y'all, my secret hairstylist. Okay, y'all, it's 7:33 and these are the ones. Allie did the ones in the back for me. I gotta curl these over. These up here at the top are the ones that I did. Why are you looking at me? Do my video. I'm doing my hair video.